Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure your phone can actually send SMS and that the carrier account is active. Next, open Settings and grant Google Pay SMS and contacts permissions. This lets the app verify your phone number securely. Once done, disable any SMS blocking apps or number filters, and whitelist Google Pay so messages aren't intercepted. These steps fix most send failures because Google Pay needs permission and a clear SMS route to transmit verification codes. Now you tackle connectivity and app state. Toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data to force a new network route, because some carriers block SMS over Wi-Fi calling. Then clear Google Pay cache and, if needed, storage. Sign back in so the app re-registers for SMS delivery. Make sure Google Play services and Android WebView are up to date, and that date and time are automatic. Mismatched clocks break token validation. These actions resolve routing and token issues that stop SMS from sending. Finish with carrier and verification tests. Call your carrier and confirm short code access, and the SMS Service Center isn't blocking automated messages. If possible, test the same SIM in another phone or try a different SIM to isolate device versus network faults. Recreate the Google Pay verification after each change. If it still fails, enable verbose logs in app settings and contact Google Pay support with log details. This helps engineers pinpoint whether it's carrier routing, short codes, or app-side delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.